a vegetable seafood Korean pancake. So we'll start off by cracking 2 eggs. Go. And you need the second. Then we will need 1/2 cup of water, and finally we would need 1/4 cup of milk. Now let's stir. That's good enough. Now we're going to be adding 1 cup of flour, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Adding some herbs and spices. So we're starting out with basil. I just choose basil because I like basil. It's totally up to you to choose what herbs you like. And now I'm going to be adding some oregano leaves. That's enough. Now for the spices, I'm going to be using Chinese 5 spices. That's enough. And I'm going to be using black peppercorns. Now we're going to be adding some chili powder. So you would need 1/2 spoon of this. I like spicy, that's why I'm adding this. But if you don't like spicy, you don't have to add this because it can make it really spicy. So I'm going to be adding 3/4 spoon of salt. Salt seasoning, or you can call it seafood seasoning. Now let's mix it. So now we're going to be adding some fish sauce, and we'll be needing 1 tablespoon of this. And then we'll be needing more fresh vegetables and French seafood. So our starting ingredients are green onion and shrimp. Green onion is, you have to put it in because it gives a nice smell and a nice taste. So let's add it in. And then we'll some carrots and some mushrooms, green and orange bell peppers, onions, and some coriander. Now let's get mixing. Now that I've cleaned my hands, we're going to be setting this batter aside. So we're now going to be making the sauce. So we're going to be adding 1/2 spoon of fennel seeds, but it's up to you to add fennel seeds. The traditional way is adding sesame seeds. I don't have sesame seeds, so I'm using fennel seeds. Now 1/2 spoon of mustard, okay, that'll be about 1/2 spoon. Some green chili sauce. You'll need 1/2 spoon of this too. fish sauce, and some dark soy sauce. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, and now let's mix it. Now we're going to be cooking the batter and making pancakes. So I think the pan's hot enough, and I heated the pan to medium. I'm going to be greasing the pan by using 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, now I'm putting 1/2 cup of batter on the pan. So I'm going to flatten it out using a when you want to flip it over is when the bottom is crunchy. And to make it crunchy, it would take about like 1 to 2 minutes. Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. If you can see, the edges are getting cooked up. And that means it's almost ready. Now let's see, look, it's moving. So now let's flip it. Wow. It looks nice and crispy. Now, the nice and crispy means I can... Now, let's try the pancakes. It's so good. It's so fresh. It reminds me of spring. Those days. Anyway, the pancake and the sauce make an awesome team and a combination. Please like and subscribe and put on the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. Bye!